11/30. Billy Bob OBEKE up for open, L scanner.
Good morning, Justina, Adelaide, Jag, AJ. Good morning, good morning. Feel like the fish tank is throwing off my like a different shade.
Scanner for me. It knows what I like. Smiley face.
Okay. Good luck, everybody. Scored. A little running behind a little bit. Morning, good luck.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, you were late today.
Yeah.
I was actually here. I was doing something on my other computer, and then I turned and holy shit.
S&P futures getting a little pop here now after the open. NTAP NetApp halted on a circuit breaker.
All eyes making a
Getting
move.
a pop here, 67.85. Remember Tango Alpha Papa.
And this is Expo, Billy, and all these.
Lee.
Order filled.
Yellen said should not overestimate the effect of inflation of lowering the tariffs on Chinese goods. FNB continues to expand delivery channel in North and South Carolina. Foxtrot November Bravo.
EO trying as well.
Order filled.
JCSC, JE Cleantech.
NIO.
With their report.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Company said for the period ending September 30th, total revenue increased by about 3.5 million Singapore dollars, or 141.8%. 5.9
Order filled.
million Singapore
Lee
dollars.
starts.
That's Juliet, Charlie, Sandy, Echo.
Is this earnings? Doesn't say it is.
After the open, Dow Jones Industrial Average up just slightly. S&P 500 up 0.05%. NASDAQ Composite up 0.11%.
This is no bueno.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Fucking Neo missed me by what? 2 cents?
EAR, Ergo, shares getting a pop here. As we reported yesterday, the company was granted a patent for a hearing assistance device. That's Hotel. That's Echo Alpha Romeo, EAR, Ergo. KTRA, Kintara Therapeutics, halted on a circuit breaker. Kilo Tango Romeo Alpha.
Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Treasury Secretary Yellen says most activity in crypto has not been about financial innovation. Says Treasury is Yellen says is skeptical of cryptocurrencies.
I'm out of LA right there.
Lee $.
3M
your average
MMM
shag?
company CEO says consumer-facing
44.
businesses are
Order
seeing
cancelled.
the
Started way
weakness
too
in
early.
their markets. That's
Order
Michael,
filled.
Michael,
I got
Michael.
excited because I came in late and I got excited.
Is it 34?
44.
44?
Yeah.
Lee BIDU
I
all with
started
their
it
monies.
after.
NIO
I
will be
started
in a
it
sec.
after your average.
Karen.
Yeah, I started it at 2095.
Oof. Did start that early. All right, let's see what else
3M
is going on.
presenting today the Credit
I left a
Suisse
little bit there, but I'm happy
Annual
with it.
Global
Yeah, me too.
Investment Conference.
And I clicked the button to try to cover some of it and it didn't cover, so then I panicked and covered all of it.
All out of week.
We all trade that one, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what else is crazy. Ooh, Baba making a move. Man,
Yes, it is.
NT
that one I'm not going to
Consumer
short.
Trading, that app.
That worked out
67.08
pretty well,
now, off the
actually.
highs down 4.71% following their earnings
No
report.
case size on that one. What you watching, Jack?
I just pulled up ASPN. I don't know. Maybe over 1150.
Uh,
3M CEO says about half the hospitals in the U.S. are in the red in their income right now. They're holding back on investments. Says China lockdowns, on China lockdowns, we see some impacts already in the electronic side. That's Michael.
What stocks you see you watching, Jack?
ASPN. It's not
I
moving
want to
great.
look at it.
Oh no. It just popped the SSR on me, so I'm not even looking at it.
Gotcha.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
I don't want to get
I'm
distracted.
out of Neo break even basically.
ATRA can
It just wouldn't break.
resuming trading now. Kilo Tango Romeo Alpha.
Out of NIOB/E.
Yeah, I had my order at 71 the whole time I was messing with LI and it went down to
Lee Trails.
73.
Out all
Yeah.
NIOB/IDU.
Yellen says turmoil
Lee
in
done for
crypto
now with
markets
the
has
dollar.
not spilled over to the banking sector.
Not gonna risk it going back to the eyes, which it looks like it wants to. Be willing to start it again, but
There's now all highs at 79.09, up almost 7% after the company terminated their $3.5 billion deal for a Brown Brothers unit. That's Sandy Tango Tango. The Chicago PMI consensus is 47.
HUDI YOLO.
MMM 3M CEO says continue to see disruptions in the supply chain. That's Michael.
Carrot with a lock.
KSCP receives 5 new contracts totaling 22 new machines.
Order filled.
All out Lee.
All out LI. Hoping it would go back down to $20.
Kilo Sandy Charlie Papa.
Yeah, it's starting to work on a high day
NIO
again.
for a loss.
NIO, that's kind of a bitch.
It did go back to high day, so good thing you got out. Good even.
Yeah, just annoying it missed me by 2 cents.
TITN earnings.
Shares of Apple getting a pop here.
Dang, we missed Expo, huh?
Did it die?
He's
Yeah.
looking a little wild.
That would have been a nice trade. I didn't even see that one.
Expo had the most volume out of any of them.
No.
Mm,
NIO did at the
That was
time.
The lockdown at the
I'm talking about pre-market.
iPhone City in Zhengzhou. That was reported earlier.
Probably on
Shares
the
getting a
day
pop
too,
now,
but
141.
Expo is earnings.
yeah, that's probably why it was moving the best in pre-market. It's probably the leader of these then. And he is
S&P
the most
futures getting a
popular.
pop here. 3M CEO says still guiding $750 million.
XPEV is earnings.
$850 million from inflation impact this year. That's Michael.
79K there.
Yeah.
Neo doing Neo things.
Yeah.
LI, you better go higher, piece of crap.
I'll be right back. Gotta go take the dog out.
Morning, Looney.
Yellen says there are legitimate national security concerns regarding TikTok. Chicago PMI consensus is 47.
OLI.
Okay, I'm back.
NIO watching for the new push.
Still no new low on that LI, but could do it.
Me too.
PDD is dancing around the 80 again.
Mm-hmm.
Probably gonna have a drop, but I just am not feeling my way that's trading. There's some wild price movement there. Making me a little uncomfortable.
Snap looks good, but it's no range. Range of about 12 cents.
What the heck's that all about?
Oh.
Cross camera has a table of millionaire students. It's like the Knights of the Round Table.
Chicago PMI 37.2. Forecast was for 47.
Bob was still going
from
up.
Bloomberg.
Mm-hmm.
Almost 85.
37.2 now. That's the
Bob up.
Chicago
On up here.
PMI versus 40.
I'd like to short it right there, but I'm not going to.
I kind of like it short around 88. That's a little far from where it is.
Yes.
I'm not gonna short
Yeah,
it.
I would-
85.
I would have
It's
needed-
possible.
Yeah, I was looking at 85.50 area right there. Looking for the big pop through 85, but 5 cents is definitely not gonna get me intrigued.
Hmm. No lie, it's still no new low, Tim, so don't feel too bad.
Yeah, that's VWAP. It's holding up pretty good now. I was really hoping all those people that got in up over 2150 were just trapped and it wouldn't get back through, but it went through enough to get me. But now I bet you it's looking like it's pretty weak.
Yellen says I misspoke on Musk and Twitter deal comments to CBS.
I would almost think it's gonna go the other way, but I've been wrong many a times.
I would like to see
Having
it pop.
convergence. I think it's going higher. You think it's coming down?
Well, my theory is you got a lot of people. That was a lot of volume that went through those first few candles, and it was all up at 2150 area. So you got a lot of people trapped. So a lot of people looking to just get out, break even. It's a lot of selling pressure.
See what happens. Probably a lot of people in it short down here at 1945. That's a lot of cover pressure.
Yeah, I feel like that could have been part of, if that were the case, that would have probably been part of the move on the way up.
Possible. Yeah, we'll see.
Again, it's all
Always be right or you'll
speculation.
be-
Yeah.
You'll be right or you'll be wrong, or you'll be right and I'll be wrong. One of the
Well,
other.
I agreed with you. VWAP seems to be holding it up, so
Yeah.
I think just getting
One
back
of
up
the other.
through that 2170 area is going to be the key. If it can get through there, you're going to get a lot of the people, or shorts will be covering there for sure.
What you gonna do for me, girl? What you watching, Jag?
I've got Beak up, but
Ugh,
not really.
you know I hate that one. I
it's
tell
not
you that
really.
every day. You know it's crazy? Look at PDD, man.
I
That
know.
sideways channel under 80 again. That's so
Same
weird.
80, so right on it.
That's 2 days in a row, man, that it did that. The fact that it
But-
got above it and is back below it makes me want to go short it, but I don't like that price action. That's about as sideways you can go at a number.
Yes.
So the reason my fish tank
Yeah, right
is
at the
white
number.
today is
That's
because I
crazy.
noticed that my
You don't
tank
see
wasn't
that
really
often.
creating
Yeah,
enough
literally just
algae, and my
wicks under
plants
it.
started to look a
Yeah,
little
that's
like
exactly what
rough
it did
around the edges.
yesterday.
So I was doing some
Yeah,
research, and
the fact that it's in
apparently,
that place just
without the white light,
But
algae won't
yesterday we
really
had
grow
up
as
to it and
much,
stopped
and
there.
your plants will start to
Today
die.
it's-
And today it was above it and got below it again.
Apparently, you're supposed to
So
leave the
it's
white light on
fine.
for about 12 hours a day.
But
I don't know.
So,
I would think it would drop the fact
gonna
that
be
it got
white.
below it again.
From now
oh,
on.
yesterday I thought it was
Coming up
thought it was going to
at
pop
10,
through, but it
Joe's
never did. It
Jumbo
I can
died
always
after 80.
probably add a tint of color.
Uh-oh.
Million,
No lie.
Yeah,
Am I gonna be right or you gonna be right?
minus 5%.
Moment of truth.
That's coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.
And to be honest, it's a huge company. The thing might just freaking chop sideways from here.
P diddle diddle or LI?
LI.
P diddle diddle is literally going sideways. That's the craziest chart I've seen in so long, dude. Did it buy out at 80?
Zoom out on the SPY for the last 2 weeks.
REVG, Rev Group.
That's
Yeah,
literally
I mean,
sideways.
This, I don't know, man. This is like within a 2-cent range right now for the last like 10 minutes. This is crazy.
Electric Type A school bus.
Oh, you mean just for the last 10 minutes?
Oh yeah, I'm just saying it is literally sideways at 80.
So that thing's up from 65 3 days ago.
This thing will not let me in it.
That's Romeo Echo Victor Golf.
Yeah, I had Bob up.
Pre-market went up 4.
Oh wow, yeah, it is ruined.
Told you I liked 88. It's like, all right, I'm going.
Bob is at 88 now.
No.
Say 86,
Yeah.
86.15, 86.20, 86.30.
Order filled.
Short it.
I just did. I started it.
Sorry. You
Karen,
already know I said 88. I said it before you got in it.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I took pretty small size on this. Price and all that stuff.
Probably wise.
Order filled. Order filled.
Under 86.
dollar on half.
AMD shares selling off sharply now, 72.99. Alpha Michael Delta.
Order cancelled.
Got Neo up as well, looking for the 1250 break.
Neo.
Yeah.
The charts are loading very slow.
AMD presenting today at the Wells Fargo Technology meeting at Telecommunications Summit. That presentation began scheduled for 11 a.m. Eastern Time.
He just had a wacky sell-off.
Who? Oh, PDD, yeah. See,
AMD.
PDD popped up and then dropped.
Back below 80.
It's crazy. They're holding Baba up all the way after this big move. Pretty crazy, actually.
You covered some, right?
Yeah, just half. I only started with 25 shares.
Yeah.
Added 25 and then took 25 off.
CRL, Charles River Labs, halted for pending news, Charlie Romeo Lima. CRL halted pending news.
HKD and TB. Baba joining the party.
And Brian just got in. I'm just looking for a way to get out at this point.
What's your average on it?
86.49. I haven't added up here again yet.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Lies in the 2180s.
Coming up, Jolt's job openings for October, 10.3 million expected. Pending home sales minus 5%.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
You watching, Devin?
A little bit of everything, man.
Yeah.
LI just broke up.
I know. I was hoping it would get to 2220.
Neo's still squeezing higher.
Yep. So is XPEV. Billy's going higher too.
Yeah, we've been moving up today. PDD is still stuck at 80.
Yeah. It did its big little move and then went right back.
Literally just stuck at 80. It's
Order
the
filled.
craziest thing I've ever seen, man.
JOLTS job openings 10.334 million.
Come on.
The consensus was 10.3 million. Pending home
Order
sales
cancelled.
minus 4.6%.
Order partially
Come on,
filled.
AMD.
Consensus was
Order filled.
was minus 5%.
I got my eyes on Baba, but you know where I'm looking to short it is above 88. So
S&P futures dropping here now 39.52
AMD just broke through kind of a key
following the
level.
release of that data.
Bob is playing with you, huh, Tim?
Yep.
This PDD, dude, this one's cracking me up.
I'm so tempted to short it at 80.
I'm not doing it, dude. I do not trust that thing.
That's why I can't.
PDD has become the stock that I kind of like, but I really don't trust it.
Baba outrests small L.
Order
It does have
filled.
range, but you just never know what the hell that thing's gonna do.
No. Especially right now.
Yeah, this market's. I mean, all these China
Order
names,
filled.
and PDD is a China name.
You still in, Tim?
Literally.
I'm out most. I'm down to 10
F you.
shares.
Yep.
Watching Billy.
Really?
We're moving again? Yeah.
My old stomping grounds there. Huh. All these stocks are pushing up, but I mean, finally, yeah, Bobby giving a little bit of a pullback, but jeez.
Yeah, Neo never really took off to let me in.
Yeah.
Bobby was probably not your jam price-wise.
Nah, that's over my price target right now.
Bobby pulling back into my fib line, just letting you know, Tim. 88.67. Or 86.67. I think that's what I said, but I'm not positive.
Order cancelled. Order
We'll
filled.
Take half there then and let the rest go on the trail.
Screw you, I'm not watching this PDD, man.
Yes, you are.
Use.
LNT Baba.
you put it there and you just take 50 cents at a time, because that's what it'll give you 50 cents and then come right back.
Billy saying though,
Order
huh? Not
cancelled.
really pushing.
Yeah, it's grinding. Watching you,
Oh baby.
the letter U.
Oh.
Like, push there.
Got my hopes all up. Thought you were watching me.
I didn't even notice. LI almost hit high a day and then came back down.
Now it's just chopping sideways.
Baba dollar on way.
You know, hold you. Be blind.
Order filled.
All out of Baba.
All out Baba.
Well, boys, we hit goal for the first time, and I don't even know how long.
Good.
For now, anyway.
For now, anyway. Dude.
And watching you.
Yeah. I'd like a little fast push.
You
but
up.
Neo would have put us over goal. It missed us by 2 cents. Yeah, it was 2 cents. Ended up having to cut that break even. Had her take profit at 71, but we were dealing with LI. I didn't even see it at 73. Looks like it popped right back
Watching
up.
Roku.
What did that one end up doing?
It's got a nice push.
FUTU up.
Oh, damn.
A little bit more. Did you get in, Thomas?
No, I was wanting more.
Yeah, I'd want it up through 56 myself. Thank you, Looney. Thanks, Graham. Yeah, finally got some
The reason
trades.
I was wanting more is 'cause of the
Waited a
volume
whole
situation.
week.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Look at LI. I think it's just going sideways now.
Yeah. PDD. Oh, PDD went up to almost 81.
So, breakout.
We're back to 80.
Did it go back to 80? That 80 is a number for it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it back up. in love with PDD.
Baba out all.
Neo looks heavy. Sending triangle action. There's Roku.
Roku up. $1.57-ish.
Roku.
Through 56.50 for sure on this move here. Speed isn't really there.
So you're in Roku, Jay?
Yep.
I had an idea on Roku earlier. It didn't listen to me.
Apparently these descending triangles lately are just bull flags.
Aren't they kind of the same thing?
Well, they're supposed to do completely the opposite thing, yeah. Oh, a descending triangle is supposed to break down. Bull flag, looks like a descending triangle, but then it goes higher.
Look the same, though. So
No, I know. Yeah, they definitely look the same.
Just whoever's in control is gonna win it.
Yeah.
That's why both
Watching-
terms are kind of bullshit.
Yeah, watching Neo again. Looking up towards 13.
I don't even look at bull flags and just some triangles and cup and handles anymore.
I don't either. I mean, I notice them, but I'm not looking for them for like any kind of trade entry.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't even really notice them. Like, all I notice is consolidation areas and which way it's gonna break.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's
That's the
just
I
a
look
way
at
to
that.
put a name to the consolidation area.
Yeah.
I mean, we're seeing the same
But, I
thing.
mean, but I think when you say descending triangle, you're saying it's going down. When you're saying bull flag, you're saying it's going up. I don't know.
Well, I mean, in theory, when you have a pretty big extension and you form that descending triangle, the odds are it is going to go down. But a lot of people apparently look at that same descending triangle as a bull flag. Like you made a move up, consolidation, and now we go higher.
Yeah. Depends on who's in control, bulls or bears.
Yeah. Well, so here's my one thing with those is, to me, a flag is more of a flag shape, like a triangle. I don't know. So the triangle, or not a triangle. So like it's making higher lows and lower highs at the same time, if that makes sense.
But when it's a flat
So it's
base
converging.
and a
Correct.
downtrending top.
Correct.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, that's the big difference to me, and at least my sense of it.
but neither mean shit.
No, no, definitely not.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I see it's very
That's what
50-50
people
on.
regret
Yeah, every time I see it,
On
it's
all of them.
50-50. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, your
SAPX
descending triangles break up
satisfied
as much as they break
communication, using
down.
a
Bear
very
flag
Yeah.
or bull flags break down as much as they break up.
Shares up now.
I'm watching it up through 13 here. I like that. There's a spot on the chart at 1320 daily. I mean,
Hmm.
do you stay in Roku there, Jag?
Yep. 19's my average.
56.19.
Yeah.
Nah, 57.19. He's predicting the future. He's about to crush this thing.
55.19. Spin through that.
Ooh,
Could've been
yeah, the double
54.19
top.
today.
Yeah, could have played the double top. Yeah, it could have been.
Made quite a move today. That thing making moves
I
every
mean,
day.
look at Neo. This thing's up like $2.
Yeah, this shit's moving like crazy today. Honestly, Neo's one I wish it would have long. They had it up, but he is one of those I for some reason don't have faith in ever. Because normally has shitty range and every once in a while has insane range, and you're just like, I don't know what today's gonna bring. Big move.
Yeah, I'm still watching it. It hasn't pulled back yet since it went through 1270. So I'd like it to go up through 13 though. Doesn't really
Probably
have
from my
too much
88.
speed. It's the only problem with Neo. It's like, would I be trading this if I hadn't already traded it? That's kind of the thought process going through my head right now.
Or are you just doing it because you already did it? I got you.
It's going to depend on what this pop looks like through 13. Let's see. W. Let's see.
UWMC.
Just covered some.
Guess that means you got an ad.
Yeah, I did. I was at 30. My average is 30.
Carrot.
Later, AJ. That's all they ever were, unless it goes like 99 arts high. What are you talking about?
LOL dollar.
Oh, the descending triangles, bull flags, and stuff.
UWMC LNT.
30 crude inventories are draw of 2.758 million. Gasoline a build of
Carrot.
1.625 million, and distillates a build of 1.457 million expected.
$88 on Bubba. God, I should have just longed it, man. When I really got those feelings, I should take them.
I just got it.
Honestly, I mean, I
Bubba
took a
back
little
to
bit
the
of it.
house.
I didn't tell you because you were in it, but I gotta try to learn to hold those.
And Baba?
Grinders coming
BlackRock
back.
Spink says
On the move up?
company
The first
had a
move?
$24 million investment
Nice.
in
No, I didn't get
FTX.
that big move. I was in it when you were short. I didn't want to say anything to Sinu.
No, it worked out for me. I was fine with it.
Yeah, but when you're in it, and if you're down, I'm not gonna like the numbers wallet.
Honestly, that doesn't affect me. Like if you start like throwing levels and stuff like way up higher, then that'll affect me.
Shares of
But if you just tell me you're
BlackRock right
long,
now
I'm
are
not
down about
gonna
2.2%
be upset about it.
at $697.67.
Yeah, if you're long and you're like, I see this going to 90, I'd be like, yo, chill out.
You shorted it when I called 88, so I'm like, I already said.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it made a
You
really
got
nice
it.
move. Yeah, it made a really nice
Yeah.
move.
Look at this XPIF too, man. Grinders, man. All these China
Right,
names
got
are
out of Roku at
grinding.
the right time.
What's that?
Got out of Roku at the right time.
Yeah, my Baba chart, man. I bottom ticked it on that last cover.
Yep.
Like almost literally, my order was at 32, went to 31. Wish it would have did that on Neo earlier. Missed it by 2 cents. I was 1 cent on the right side this time, Devin. Although I was getting ready to swipe it anyway or drag it up, so it wouldn't have mattered. I just would have got a few less pennies.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this Neo, I'm definitely not messing with that thing. It needed to go on that 13 push on that first move. I'm not interested now. So grindy looking. Could draw a trend line there, I guess.
Still grinding higher now.
Everything is, except for the SPY.
Yeah, it's weird.
Divergence.
All these are Chinese companies that are grinding.
Yeah, that's true. And it's like you can't long them at this point. They're all too extended.
AMD with a nice pop off the bottom. Chinese names on my list right now, man.
LI is back to high day too.
That's one that isn't that extended, to be honest.
No. I know.
Yeah, it kind of chilled long enough for it to not look very extended.
QS uppish. GDS up for VE.
US is starting to extend a little bit. I mean, it needs to go at least to 750, but it's at 710.
Yeah, definitely want way more out of that.
Yeah, truth, huh? LI really isn't extended.
Ty Silvergate,
No.
CEO currently on CNBC,
That's crazy.
running FTX
Just
exposure.
chilled up here.
J&J and AMGN.
Look where
Johnson &
PDD is
Johnson
again.
sues Amgen for patent
80.
infringement
Yeah.
over proposed biosimilar version
Let me
of
guess.
Stelara. That's J&J.
Take a wild guess.
Been for like an hour
AMGN.
with a couple of.
I don't know what to do with that, dude. Mr. I'm gonna hang out at 80 for the rest of my life.
They're gonna put an order to short it up at like 80. See what happens. If it touches it and drops down, I win.
I
I just
win.
goes through like fuck. But
Lee kinda oddish.
I'm gonna make
YOLO.
an alert on LI.
Yeah, LI, that's a huge ascending triangle from the original pullback and everything.
yeah. US is not gonna work.
UWMC good enough.
What's that?
US. Sucks. It's not moving anyway. Do anything I would
Ne-
like it to do.
Neo is just faking everybody out.
River Labs resumes trading.
Keeps making like a newer high, breaks that candle to the downside, and then just does it all over again. This is where my line is on the daily, 1320. Let's see what it does. Actually, it looks like my line was wrong. It was actually supposed to be at 13.
Coming up,
I already went through that.
W could get interesting.
EIA
It's
weekly
up to 35.
data. Crude, a draw of 12.6 million barrels. Gasoline, a build of 2.8 million. Distillates, a build of 3.5 million. Crude getting a pop here.
Oh.
Again, a draw of 12.6 million versus a draw of 2.75 million on crude. Crude getting a pop here, $80.90.
You watching Tomas?
Back of my eyelids.
How you feeling today, man?
Oh, I think I'm running fever right now.
Oh, fun. I'm guessing you're at home.
Yeah, I ran fever all last
Lee
night.
locked a dime, trails on leftovers.
Oof, I'm sorry, man. That sucks. Flu?
That's what we believe so.
What's going on, dude? Everybody's getting the flu now. I'm sorry, brother.
Yeah, I think I'm actually getting a little bit of it myself. I've noticed my throat starting to get a little sore and had some phlegm in there this morning. I feel fine, but apparently feels like something's coming.
I think your throat was sore from something else, man.
Yeah, probably.
Sorry. Try to take it easier. Yeah.
Neo might actually get a drop here.
I gotta pee real fast, guys. I'll be back.
Finally P&L screen. I got tired of you guys asking for it. Lack of transparency. Definitely not lack of transparency. Well, the good thing is, from the moment I started not showing the P&L, I basically didn't trade like at all. so there is that. He's being funny, Graham. Adley's a jokester. My rot messed up here. How about USA yesterday, huh? Like, yeah, boy.
Did you get in, Neo?
Me? No, I did not.
They should have been watching Roku. 57.
It was never fast.
Yeah, probably wouldn't have got it anyway, but
SWX downgraded to a neutral from a buy at Bank of America. That's Sandy Whiskey X-Ray.
If I was a betting man, I'd say Baba's getting ready to make a move down. All the Chinese stocks are moving down.
yep. It's time for them.
Top fib was 88.75. We got 6 cents away from it. That's pretty close.
Oh, Baba.
Yeah. I think 6 cents is reasonable error, you know,
Yeah.
when the move was $10 the whole time.
King of Long Neo. Yeah, I mean, I was literally just saying in my head that this is probably going to act as support, previous resistance. But I'd probably want it to confirm it first. And maybe look for, like, if I were, so I always think about this stuff, but like if I were to trade these, I'd wait for it to start curling back up and I'd be looking for the break of this candle here. 1286, 1288 area. That's just my personal way that I'd be trading it. Goes Baba. 87 incoming. Did you short this, Devin? You said you were looking for that 88 area.
Shorted LY.
Just because of the range, price? What was the difference?
Bubba's scary. Bust through 88.75. My next line's 92.
Yeah.
Don't really want to be short.
Baba's like 10x the company of LI
Mm,
as far as
Good,
market cap goes.
reversed course
This actually broke the
after
trend line. Baba still has
initially,
them.
popping on the
SPY is actually trying to
larger
move
than
up.
expected draw, much larger than expected draw now. Pulled back at $80, 24 cents, up about 2.6%.
And then besides coming close to that fib line, which I don't normally just short because it touches the fib line, because that doesn't mean shit. You could just dance around here and bust through it. I'm getting out of this one, taking the small one. Baba. Oh, Baba. Yeah, I wouldn't short this, man. I don't got short vibes on this. Bless you, kitty.
As always, by the way, I'll be getting off at 11 o'clock. Start making that the end of the stream. I need to sit here while things slow down. I'll be hanging out in the Discord though.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to join me in there,
over.
links down below.
Go into super slow afternoon. Or do we keep
Basically.
going today? Maybe one day we can. I wasn't ready for today, man. I wish I was, because I mean, I had Baba down. I had PVD.
Yeah, today was a good day.
So that was good setup for me.
Got to
Hey,
that
look, it went up and back to
$100 was mainly just one trade, but
That
hey,
is
it's
a weird.
wrong with
looking
nothing wrong
chart,
with that.
dude.
I wish I would have put the PNL up before that. I
Guess what I'm
forgot.
gonna do
I meant to
with that?
do it before
Nothing?
we started trading, but I was
That's
running late.
Exactly what I had in mind.
Curious to how much I was down. I mean, I can go back and do the math. I don't remember
Thing is,
what
you
my
know where to
average
get out.
was.
What, 80?
Yeah.
Shorted above and wait for it to come back down.
Yeah.
Let's see.
My hot buttons definitely were
lot
a
of
huge part of
shiny
this trade.
stocks, the dailies
Being able
are
to get in
super
this ad up
fun.
here and then cover half like pretty much instantly
Like JD.
is a pretty big
Every
deal
day
for
it's
me
been
there.
gaps and small moves, except for this day where it ran from 53 up here to 58.
$56. Yeah, I wish we would have got it under 50, but and I think our average was like 64, 62. Oh, it was 62 because that's why I was looking for 62 down here. Or was it 32?
Damn, XBEV, what a move on that, huh?
62? It had to be 62.
That's like, got nothing.
Yeah,
really
32
left
was
for a
Baba.
while.
Maybe it wasn't even 62.
Baba
Guess
kinda
I-
D-tish.
Open area. XBEV might move higher.
I'll have to go back and look.
Good.
There's really, I mean, there's no resistance area until like 1650 maybe. I'm not saying it's gonna go to 1650, but I'm just saying. Nothing there.
What'd you guys think of my video from yesterday? Do you guys have an uninterrupted power supply? I can't tell you how many people I've heard call those universal power supplies. No, it's not universal.
WBD, CNN reporter saying CNN boss Chris Licht informs employees and all staff note that layoffs are underway at Whiskey Bravo Delta.
You thinking Jaggerific?
Nothing. Nothing at all right now.
Lee kinda Hesse.
AAI Cadent, Centron Material Handling subsidiary, completed acquisition of Conveyors Plus. That's Kilo Alpha India. NSC Coordinator for Strategic Communications Kirby says U.S. believes military operations will
Baba
persist
dollar
through
on way.
winter months in the Ukraine. Russians have shown no indication that they will stop or slow attacks
ABDL
on
stalking it.
civilian
Go go go.
infrastructure in Ukraine.
Carrot.
Guess I should have put my money where my mouth was on Baba.
Where did it drop?
Yeah.
Key EU nations consider lowering Russia oil price cap to
But is that your
$60.
trade?
Yeah.
Hmm. What's going on with China? Wonder why all this stocks moved up so much today.
What?
I wonder why all these Chinese stocks moved up today. These are pretty big, big moves, you know.
Yep, they are.
And I know they were all shutting down because of, or going down because of these shutdowns in China, but not quite sure why they went up.
Hey, you kill a bunch of Chinese people in China and their stocks go up.
Is that how it works?
That's how it works apparently.
Remember, it's different than ours. It is shit different, man. I'm not saying it's better or worse. I don't know. Who am I?
Who are you to judge?
I am no one to judge, man.
Cold. NTB here.
Jag, do you have KOLD?
Let's see. I don't think I do.
QTT,
Nope.
please go.
It does look pretty
It's
though.
yeah, it's a ETF, I think. So I can't trade it.
Ultra shares.
Leave
Ultra
Baba
shares or
Trails.
We have 623,000 available, but I guess you need to be able to trade ETFs.
Can you just add that like for nothing?
Huh?
QTT 287 KTB.
Isn't that free to do?
I think it is. You have to like take some like small test type thing. I I believe,
see.
to unlock it. Yeah.
I don't know that.
I think it's just more of like a compliance thing.
Gotcha. Make you test into it, huh?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure that's the case. And that might be hearsay because I've never looked into it myself.
Gotcha.
But it says we have shares, but we can't trade it. So, I mean, obviously there's something going on there.
Some way to get into it that we haven't done. Baba, man, this is why, like, I don't feel the vibes of that just going down today. I also don't have the cojones just to buy it at like 87.40 though.
Yeah, that shot back up, huh? Are the other ones following it? Not really. Let's talk about Neo and Lee. They're kind of just sitting there.
Baba's kind of a different sector than the Neo, Lee, XBEV. They're all Chinese, but different sectors. I'm not sure how that plays. Baba's obviously like the big one for China.
KG Ross Gold, a large trade in the January $5 calls. That's Kilo Golf Charlie.
ATRA, you guys have those? Oh, never mind. It's a $6 stock with a 20-cent spread,
That sounds like a winner.
and it's jumping back and forth between the 20 cents.
Yeah, we don't have it
Jack,
anyway.
don't look at it. Close your eyes. What do you think PDD's at?
I don't know. I could guess it's around 80, but I could be wrong.
79.96. You're close. You're close. Okay, 99. 99. All right.
That's just unbelievable.
That's the craziest thing, dude. That's the craziest thing. That is like some serious digestion of a move, man. It's like, all right, this 80 area seems comfortable for everybody. Let's just hang out here.
Yeah, we'll stay here. It's good.
Hey, buyers, you good with this? We're good. Sellers, yeah, yep, cool. 80's cool. All right, we've agreed.
LOLQTT. Market orders much.
That's why that doesn't happen. Buyers and sellers have agreed on 80. For the time being. Now, I accomplished no shave in November. I think I'm shaving today.
Did you do no nut November?
Also, if
No,
you
I didn't
shaved
know that
today,
was a
you
thing.
failed. Might as well just wait another day.
Last day of November.
Yep, and it's still November.
Oh, wow.
I did it, but I just didn't feel like shaving. It had nothing to do with anything else.
Jack said I haven't shaved in November either, but
I completed it, but it's not intentional. I have been successful.
I like having the beard, but I do feel it makes me look like a good 6-7 years older than I am.
I'm afraid to
Don't
know what
shave
I'd
it
look
when
like
I'm
without
actually
mine.
old.
I feel like at this point I'm scared.
It's just like the guys who shave their head and then decide that they're gonna grow their hair back and then they're bald.
I mean, I could probably get away with that just because I wear a hat all the time.
Yeah.
But my face, I don't want to know what I'd look like. I mean, I'd have to have some sort of tan lines at this point. I mean, it's been like this for almost 10 years.
Yeah.
And to be quite frank, it's so much easier to maintain a beard once it's like this versus shaving all the time.
Yeah. Once you got it grown in and contoured.
Yeah, like you just literally trim it like every once in a while and you're good to go. And if you care about the neck that much, I mean, so what I do is I never shave my neck. I just, when I'm done using the trimmers on like the top part, I'll take off the guard and I'll just do my neck. So it's like basically down to stubble. So I can't remember the last time I used a razor on my face.
No, I don't. I mean, I shave my neck, but I don't I haven't razored my face in a long time.
Well, I'm saying even my neck. Yeah, I haven't razored my neck probably
No, I
5
will
years.
razor my neck.
Pure laziness, to be honest.
That I do. But I haven't gone down like clean shaving in a long time.
I guess we're gonna
Thought
have
about doing it just to see what it looked like under there. What's that, Jay?
I guess we're having strong wind and rain. I'm getting alerts.
AVDL got a partial.
GNS Genius Group, $19 price valuation from Zax. That's Golf November Sandy. That's Zax Small Cap Research.
Video. The guy mentioned UPS before your video. 2 days before your video, he was saying the UPS helps the internet packet loss because the wiring in his house. It's odd. See how that would work, but
Help a brother out, Jay.
I'm not an
What are we
electrician
watching,
either.
Man?
Nothing.
You gotta be so mean, dude.
But I can't tell you how many times
I'll be
the
right back.
power
I need
is
help with one.
just flickered before I had a UPS.
Good luck.
And computer shuts off, everything shuts off. But now I have the UPS and I have one downstairs where the internet comes in the house. And I don't
GD
lose
shirt so ugly
internet
that I don't
or
think I'm gonna
my
trade
computer
it.
anymore. It stays on.
GNS up.
That's a nightmare of a shirt.
I hit.
What do you got up, Tim? Anything good?
Nothing that you'd be interested in.
Whoa spread.
Watching a
Looking at
penny
cheap stuff.
stock.
Best trade of the day is LI. Not even my trade. Sadness.
Yep, same here. LI, Baba, and Neo. Neo actually lost $1.
A whole dollar?
Well, I missed.
Hey, I can paste things into the room again. Hell yeah.
I missed my $20 take profit by 2 cents. So when it came back up, I wasn't gonna let it go completely red. I actually tried to get out at break even, but I got $1 slippage.
UTTLNT.
Or a penny slippage. I only had 100 shares.
I think I did good on that one as I sized in, and I exited that one. Really
How many
good
shares
buy.
did you have?
400.
Guess how many I had at the top?
I have no clue. I didn't
Just
look at your
if
chart.
you had to guess.
Well, let me look at your chart.
Well, fine. Look at my chart.
But you started that early, so that's
I
when you
did.
started super early.
I had 4 total entries.
I don't know, 600.
Yep. I did 100, 100, 100. But I did 100 and then basically it was 200, but I did it. I split it up because I wasn't sure what it was going to do with that whole dollar or $half.
MRCY.
But it seemed like it was going to fail. So
pick
yeah, I had
one
300
back,
shares at
check
2150
innovators.
area. And then when it went up to 22, I hit it for another 300.
I can't remember
Free
what my
systems,
average was
that's
in
Mike Romeo
that.
Charlie Yankee.
I couldn't remember mine either. I have to go back and look at it, but it was, I think it was like 64.
Ugh. I said it when I was in it, but I don't remember this. What are we gonna look at?
All right, guys, I'm gonna go make some food. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Decent little day today. Look for the recap later so you can like it and share it and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.
Mine was 70 something. 170.